Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to recreate a look from a recent shoot that you guys all loved. Thank you so much, by the way, for all the love on the shoot. Like, I really appreciate it. Like, I didn't expect so many people to actually really like it, so thank you so much. You guys are amazing, and I feel like I have such a lovely bunch of followers who are just so lovely, so thank you so much. You see, it's from Casipillai. She does amazing worked blouses, so that's the blouse. Definitely check her out. This is going to be a full face tutorial. I'm going to do my signature smoky eye look that all of you guys keep asking me for as well, so stay tuned. Now that the base is done, I'm just going to leave, there is still a bit of powder under my eyes and around like my face and whatever, but I'm going to dust that off after. I'm going to go in with my brows and shape them and then do the eyes. For my eyes, as a base, I'm literally just going to get whatever's left over on my Dual Beauty blender and just dust it all over. Not that it's needed, it's just to neutralize any discoloration. For the eye makeup, you literally need 3 things. And lashes, that's literally it. The way to my smoky eye is I use feline. It's just great. It's like a kohl liner, so you can smudge it. So what I do first is go in quite dark and heavy. Do you see on the lash line? And I'm literally just going to use my finger to blend that out. It's okay if it looks messy. And I'm gradually going to take the leftover product up into like all over my eyelid. you guys can see the difference, right? I'm gonna darken my lash line again. You just gradually build it up. And then I'm just going to take the same kohl liner underneath. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. It's quite easy, very quick smoky eye to do, and I do it all the time. So whenever you see a smoky eye on me, this is literally what I do. It's my favorite thing to do. And these earrings, they are from Vrddhi UK. Definitely check her out. She has amazing collection. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.